State versus Cindy Montgomery, 15-208, delivery of controlled substances. Yes, sir. You may approach. Ma'am, I'm looking at a police statement here. Have you gone over this document?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
Do you feel you understand what's set out in your police statement?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the charges against you?
Yes, sir.
You understand the range of possible penalties if you're convicted?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty to delivery of marijuana, possession with intent to deliver marijuana, possession of drug paraphernalia, and that's what you're pleading guilty to?
Yes, sir.
Is that right?
Yes, sir.
By entering your plea of guilty, you're giving up your right to have a trial. You understand you're giving up that right?
Yes, sir.
You also cannot appeal when you plead guilty. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Other than the recommendation as to your sentence, which is in the plea statement, other than that, have you been promised anything?
No, sir.
Okay. Has anyone pressured you or threatened you in order to get you to change your plea?
No, sir.
Ma'am, are you pleading guilty to these crimes because you're in fact guilty?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Your Honor, if I may, there is one other thing. They have a civil forfeiture. They have agreed, the state has not been put in writing, but the state has agreed they're going to return $1,400 in cash to her of the money seized. They're going to return her jewelry, her computers, laptops. She has some other documentation that they're going to return, but we've agreed that on this documentation will be kept by the state until such time as her co-defendant's case is disposed of, and then it will be returned to her also.
Okay.
Your Honor, that's actually not accurate. It's not $1,400, it's $1,046 that was in this lady's purse that will be returned to her. There were some other monies found, approximately $3,400 that was found in the home that's not being returned. There was money, there was approximately $21,000 that was found in a safe deposit box that will not be returned, will be forfeited. I also believe there were some gift cards that will be returned, along with a list of property that will be returned, some computers and so forth. I've gone over that with all of the police officers. In addition, there is a firearm, which is a World War II relic, P-38 Walther P-38 German pistol, that will be conditionally released to somebody's brother, provided we've got that person's name and that person's not a convicted felon.
That's correct.
Okay. I just want to note for the record, so that what's agreed here in open court is inconsistent with what's in the police statement. So we just need to note that in the record. Well, come forward, Jim.
Yeah, I saw that, Judge.
It's not a big deal.
It's not accurate. We'll fix it.
Ma'am, is it correct that on or about May 22nd of last year, here in Baxter County, that you sold some marijuana to an individual working for law enforcement?
She was, Your Honor, she was there, and she's involved in it, and she's pleading to it, but actually making the sale itself, no, she did not do that.
Okay, she assisted in some way, was an accomplice, allowed her home to be used for
Yes.
something? Is that what happened?
Yes.
Okay. And I take it there was marijuana which was to be sold in your home, right? And you knew that? Is that what the facts are?
Yes, sir.
Is that right? Okay. And there was some drug paraphernalia in the home?
Yes.
Okay. This time, ma'am, I accept your plea, adjudge you guilty. You'll be sentenced to, on each count, each allegation or offense, I should say, 5 years in the Department of Corrections to be suspended. You'll report to probation, obey the terms and conditions provided to you. In order to pay $200 in cost, a DNA fee of $250, a $20 booking fee. We'll take out these public defender fees. Drug crime assessment of $125, and pay what you owe at the rate of $100 per month, beginning within 30 days, and you make your payments to the Sheriff's Department here in Baxter County.
Yes, sir.
Okay, man, if you'll just go with this gentleman right here.